Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best kid knife set is probably one of the most essential tools for any aspiring young chef, allowing them to safely participate in kitchen activities and develop valuable culinary skills from an early age, making meal preparation a fun and educational experience for the whole family. Number 5. JOVITEC 8 PCS Kid Safe Nylon Chef Knife Set. Introducing a set of 8 colorful nylon knives designed for kids. They come in 2 shapes, square and cusp, perfect for little hands exploring the kitchen. These versatile tools can safely slice through a variety of foods. From fruits and vegetables to bread and cake, they handle it all with ease. Featuring serrated edges, these knives help protect little fingers from the risks associated with traditional metal knives. It's a safer way for them to learn. Made from high-quality, BPA-free plastic, these knives are non-toxic and durable. They can even be safely soaked in boiling water without deforming. Bond with your child over cooking and create delicious dishes together. This set fosters healthy life skills and makes for wonderful shared experiences. What we like. This set offers a vibrant array of colors and includes both square and cusp-shaped knives, making it visually appealing for young chefs. Its serrated edges are designed to cut through various foods safely. If you're looking for a fun and colorful introduction to cooking for your child, this set is a great choice. What people say. The knives are sturdy enough to cut through fruits, veggies, and soft foods, but still gentle and safe for little hands. These are not plain knives, these are sharp enough to cut through veggies and other foods. They're about the same size as a regular knife, but the handles are perfectly sized for little hands. Cuts everything we have tried so far. No cuts, so seems safe. Kids can get a good grip and durability at thick, which makes me believe the product will last us a while too. Number 4. RISICULIS Wooden Kids Kitchen Knife Set. Introducing the RISICULIS Wooden Kids Kitchen Knife Set, designed for safe and fun culinary adventures. Let your little ones explore the joy of cooking with tools made just for them. This comprehensive set includes a variety of knives, a cutting board, peeler, and fun cutters. It provides everything your child needs to experiment with different foods and techniques. Crafted from high-quality wood and safe plastic materials, these tools are built to last. The ergonomic handles and safety features ensure a comfortable and secure grip for little hands. Beyond just play, these knives help develop crucial skills. They enhance eye-hand coordination and cognitive abilities as children learn to chop and prepare food. Perfect for everyday kitchen play, family gatherings, or parties. These versatile tools make learning to cut fruits, vegetables, and cheese an engaging and enjoyable experience for kids. Looking for a unique and educational gift? This set is an ideal choice for Montessori-inspired learning, encouraging independence and creativity in the kitchen. What we like. This set stands out with its inclusion of a wooden knife, offering a different tactile experience. The ergonomic handle design ensures a comfortable and efficient grip for little hands. If you appreciate natural materials and want a well-rounded set that includes essential accessories like a cutting board and peeler, this is an excellent option. What people say. The knives are designed with safety in mind, featuring rounded tips and a comfortable grip for little hands. This set includes a variety of sizes, allowing children to practice different cutting techniques. The serrated edges on some of the knives make it easy to cut through softer foods like bananas and strawberries. Number 3. Salufo 14PC Montessori Safe Kitchen Knife Set for Toddlers. Introducing a fantastic 14-piece Montessori-inspired kitchen knife set designed for young culinary adventurers. It's perfect for real cooking and imaginative play. This comprehensive set includes safe plastic knives, a wooden knife, cutting boards, a peeler, fun sandwich cutters, and even a little dustpan for cleanup. It's a complete toolkit for little hands. Crafted from wood and food-grade materials, these tools are safe and built to last. The knives have a special design that won't hurt little fingers, making cooking a happy and safe experience. Looking for a unique gift? This set makes an ideal present for birthdays or holidays, encouraging creativity and learning through play for children aged 3 to 12. This versatile set supports every step of the cooking process, from preparing ingredients to enjoying the final creation. It's great for home, travel, or even preschool. Watch as they develop essential skills and gain confidence in the kitchen. It's more than just a toy, it's an educational tool that fosters a love for cooking and a memorable experience with family. What we like. This set is designed with Montessori principles in mind, encouraging hands-on learning and skill development. The adorable crocodile pattern adds a playful touch, and the inclusion of little dustpans makes cleanup part of the fun. If you're seeking an educational toy that integrates seamlessly into a child's learning journey and promotes tidiness, this set is ideal. What people say. My daughter absolutely loves helping in the kitchen, and she was thrilled that she was able to help me cut up some vegetables safely. The set is very great material, a good strong type of plastic, and I even tried the tools to cut some fruits and it's very sturdy. The size was perfect for their LOL hands. Number 2. Chanking 13 Pieces Kid Safe Knife Set. Introducing a complete 13-piece kitchen set designed for safe and real cooking experiences. It includes various tools like knives, a peeler, and cutting boards, perfect for young culinary explorers. These tools are specially designed with children in mind, featuring rounded edges and safe materials. Your little ones can practice cutting skills without any risk of injury. Discover a beautifully crafted wooden knife with a fun crocodile design, alongside other tools that encourage curiosity. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable and safe grip for small hands. This set is perfect for pretend play and real cooking for children aged 4 and up. It's more than just a toy, it's a tool that sparks creativity and a desire to learn. These versatile tools allow children to safely observe and mimic adult cooking activities. It's a wonderful way to enhance practical skills and strengthen family connections. Looking for a unique birthday gift? This Montessori-inspired kitchen set provides hours of entertainment and learning, making it an ideal present for any child. What we like. This set emphasizes safety with its one-piece handle design and serrated edges that are child-friendly. The charming crocodile pattern is sure to capture a child's imagination. If your priority is a safe and engaging cutting experience that encourages pretend play and skill building, this set is a fantastic choice for young aspiring chefs. What people say. There are multiple sized knives and they all cut so well, while still being safe. They cut really well through bread to carrots, suitable for kids being involved in almost any cooking task. The knives are just the right size and feel safe enough for little hands while still being effective for cutting fruits and veggies. Number 1. Baketivity Kids Cooking Set. Introducing the Baketivity Kids Cooking Set, a complete junior cooking set designed for little chefs. It includes everything they need to start their culinary adventures. These kid-friendly tools make cooking easy and safe. They are designed with smooth edges and easy-to-grip handles, perfect for young chefs to use. Made for real food, these utensils are safe for children. The knives can easily cut soft foods, ensuring a safe and enjoyable cooking experience. Our cooking set is made from BPA-free, food-grade materials. They are durable, dishwasher-safe, and can withstand high temperatures, making cleanup a breeze. This set comes with an informative guide to help kids learn how to use each utensil. It includes fun exercises to master essential cooking skills. Whether they are aspiring or already budding chefs, this set is a fantastic gift. It provides a fun and educational way for kids to explore the joys of cooking. What we like. This is a truly comprehensive junior cooking set, going beyond just knives to include essentials like an apron, chef's hat, and mixing bowls. It also comes with a helpful kitchen tool guide to teach proper usage. If you want an all-in-one solution for a child who wants to dive into cooking or baking with all the necessary gear and guidance, this set is perfect. What people say. The knives are made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and safety. The set includes 3 different sizes, perfect for various cutting tasks. The ergonomic handles provide a comfortable and secure grip for little hands. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.